I was in the middle of installing the stainless steel hood in the kitchen when I realized that the washers that they gave me were way too small. Rather than drive the 7 miles to the store, this is what we did. I realized that while I did not have the right size washer, what I did have was a whole lot of pennies. So I went and found a penny that was made before 1981. Note that in 1982 they changed it to a zinc alloy, and zinc will react with stainless steel where the copper in a 1981 and older penny won't. Now here we drilled a hole in the penny. And there you go, you've got an instant washer. For those of you worried about getting in trouble for poking holes in money, it is legal to put holes in money or bend money or do whatever you want with it, as long as you do not try to use it as currency afterwards. In this case, we're using it as a washer afterwards, and there are no rules or laws about using pennies as washers. Now we made the hole just a little bit small on purpose. That way the penny will act as though the screw itself has a really large head on it. And there you go. You can save yourself a trip to the store and probably 15 or 20 cents at least on the washer. This one only cost you a penny and a minute worth of drilling. That adds up fast if you're doing a lot of them. If you like these videos, please subscribe to my page for more. There are always more coming.